Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Animal Facts, where today we're zooming in on one of the tiniest yet most captivating creatures on our planet, the colibri bird. Also known as the bee hummingbird, this incredible bird is a marvel of nature. So, get ready as we dive into 30 minutes of amazing facts about the colibri bird. Let's start with the basics. The colibri bird, often referred to as the bee hummingbird, is the smallest bird species in the world. It's native to Cuba and the island of Hispaniola. Despite its tiny size, this bird has an extraordinary set of characteristics that make it truly unique. Bee hummingbirds are so small that they can weigh as little as 1.6 grams, about the same as a paperclip. They measure approximately 2 to 2.4 inches in length, making them barely larger than a bumblebee, which is why they earned the name bee hummingbird. The colibri bird's tiny size comes with some fascinating implications. For one, their metabolism is incredibly high. To sustain their energy levels, they need to consume up to twice their body weight in nectar every day. This requires them to visit hundreds of flowers daily. Imagine this. The average bee hummingbird flaps its wings around 80 times per second. This rapid wing movement creates a humming sound, which is how the bird gets its name. This high wing beat frequency allows the bird to hover in midair while it feeds. Speaking of feeding, let's dive into the diet of the colibri bird. Their primary source of food is nectar from flowers, which provides them with the necessary sugars for energy. However, they also consume small insects and spiders to get essential proteins and other nutrients. Bee hummingbirds have a specialized long, slender bill and a rapid tongue that allows them to extract nectar efficiently. Their tongues can extend up to 13 times their bill length, which is quite impressive for such a small bird. Surviving in the wild requires some unique adaptations, and the colibri bird has them in spades. Besides their incredible metabolism and feeding mechanisms, they have developed a specialized way of coping with the cold. At night, they enter a state of torpor, where their body temperature drops significantly to conserve energy. This hibernation-like state allows them to survive periods of low food availability. When temperatures rise and food becomes more accessible, they quickly revive, resuming their energetic activity. Let's talk about reproduction. The colibri bird's nesting habits are as delicate as the bird itself. Female bee hummingbirds build tiny nests using plant down, spider silk, and other materials which are about the size of a walnut. They often place their nests on the underside of leaves or branches to protect them from predators. The female typically lays 2 eggs that are about the size of a pea. These eggs are incubated for around 2 weeks. Once hatched, the tiny chicks are completely reliant on their mother for warmth and food. After about 3 weeks, they are ready to fledge and start their own journey. Now, let's discuss the conservation status of the bee hummingbird. Currently, the colibri bird is classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, like many species, it faces threats from habitat loss and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring that these incredible creatures continue to thrive. Protecting their natural habitats and addressing climate change are key factors in preserving their populations. Before we wrap up, let's go through some quick, fascinating facts about the colibri bird. The bee hummingbird's heart beats up to 1,200 times per minute during flight. They are capable of migrating short distances, but usually stay within their territory. The vibrant, iridescent feathers of the male bee hummingbird are not due to pigments, but to microscopic structures that reflect light. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the colibri bird, or bee hummingbird. From their extraordinary size and feeding habits to their nesting practices and conservation status, these tiny birds truly are marvels of nature. If you enjoyed learning about the bee hummingbird, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite bird species? Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.